reporting from the gun show. I brought some chips to try to see if I have a little snack to keep me from getting peckish all day. It's these Quillo Spanish Ham, product of Spain chips. I've opened it already. I haven't tried them yet. I don't really know what a ham flavored chip would be. Sounds amusing. There's some here I've taken out. How's it? Smells like ham. Oh, okay. It's got a potent taste. It does not at first taste like any kind of ham, and then it does. Once the chip is chewed up, your mouth is filled with ham flavor. It goes in. It's just potent, tangy, weird. It's not good. It's not terrible. And I've just had these for quite a while, sitting there when I went to Cost Plus a long time ago. I've been just sitting in a cabinet. I hadn't gotten around to them because one of the stuff popped up. I figured I'll be there. There were chips, things that were more relevant. While doing this show, it's a nice time to get some of this stuff out of the way and have some food that I don't have to go buy. It's gotten slow again already, but you're not going to see these in order, so it doesn't matter. Well, don't go out of your way to find these. They're okay, they're different, but I'll never buy them again. I will maybe finish the bag here between, over the next few days, but that's it. All right, how we going, folks? This will probably be posted before I'm done with the whole show. You'll see this before you actually see how the show is. All right, talk to y'all later. Have a good one.